We had a chance of snow this weekend, so I'm refilling the chicken water to prevent it from freezing, checking on their food, checking on their straps, just kind of making sure everybody's set before we possibly get some snow. Push it over the... There you go. There you go. Woo! Great job. The chickens need some more food, so we're gonna go grab our side-by-side and bring their feed down for them. All right, you ready to go?
Yeah.
Let's get that feed. We could probably fit another 2 bags in here, but all we've got is 1, so we'll grab a couple more next time at the feed store and get it all stocked up.
Those chickens look happy.
Yep. All right, ready to go back up to the house? I've got this thyme plant here. We are gonna dig it up and see if we can keep it in a pot inside the house over winter. All right, we're gonna take it in and repot it. Well, I've got all this extra dirt in here. I'm going to pot up some rosemary, living rosemary I got at the store. See if that'll survive. And then I will repot this snake plant. Okay, we've got it all potted up. Let's see how everything does.
Hey everyone, today I'm firing up the tractor. I'm going to start working on the pad that we're going to be putting a round pen and our future garden that we want to start working on here pretty soon. And so I'll show you guys what we're doing.
Sunshine and blue skies, snowstorms and thunder. This mountain's been home to me. Live here and work here, never shall wander, 'cause I've seen all that I need to see. Some beautiful places, lots of nice people, I hope to see them again. But nothing can change this feeling inside me. This mountain is my closest friend. Sweat in the summer, hours in the saddle.
All right, that's it for the day. Got most of it cleaned off and flattened. Gonna have to bring in some water because it is way too dusty, so I think that'll be next. So she didn't believe me that that was 6 foot spacing, so she had to lay down and prove me wrong. But I don't know, she's 5'11" and that looks pretty close to 6 foot spacing. "28 seconds. Hey, buddy.
Hi, can I try to pet it?
Mm-hmm.
I feel like I was gonna fall.
But you didn't. Oh, stop. Stop. You can get a pet while you're waiting for food. Don't be all hangry. Just wanted to show you guys what we've been working on for quite a while now. This is one of our neighbor's houses, and we've been building this chicken coop for him. This was a project my dad started a few years ago, and when he passed away a year and a half ago, I've been trying to take it over. Quite the chicken coop. All this area that is just framed in metal is going to be the chicken run. And then you got the chicken house here, or the hutch. Got 2 nesting boxes on either side. Each one's going to have 5 individual nesting areas. Got big doors that are gonna open like that for easy access. This bottom section will fold down, and that will make it easy to get in there and clean out, sweep out the shavings. We're gonna put some sort of linoleum or something on the floor, something that's waterproof so that it won't seep through, as well as 4 foot up the walls. The run area will be all enclosed in expanded metal. as well as the area under the hutch with some automatic doors. And these are the doors we're putting on the nesting boxes. So that's that. And then yesterday I was working over here on this generator shed. He had someone come up and frame it in metal, but they didn't build doors, so he wanted me to build these doors. So they're just going to be sheeted in this sheet metal like the roof here. And that's his backup generator. Today I'm working on getting the roof ready for some metal. So I'm notching, we use this 3.5 inch diameter galvanized steel. So these are going to be a couple rafters. I notch the ends, and then I'll be welding them up to the ridge pole, and they'll come down here to the eave. So that's my project today. Just sticking more pieces on the roof, getting it ready for metal.